you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. Whiteout skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
We took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time in the back of.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ndinda. In case you're new here, but if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, I love you so much. This you already know. Welcome to yet another exciting vlog. I'm excited for this one and it's going to be very interesting. So grab your popcorns or your tea or your juice or your wine and yeah, enjoy the vlog.
Daddy.
Sorry, Baba.
Watch out, man. Liquid. You okay?
So let me know in the comment section, how is it for you? Is it usually smooth or is your baby usually dramatic as mine? So I used to cry before when he used to throw all these tantrums because of the noise and yeah, but now I'm a Taliban.
I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answer. I've been on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them? I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I've been on my phone 6:30, can't be texting you this early, cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them that you're the exception, without repeating or just second guessing? 4 weeks in, I know I'm sinking.
So we ended up leaving home late and it wasn't intentional, but what matters is we got home safe. So I finished packing and we left Nakuru at around 8 p.m. and we arrived safely at around 2 a.m.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Silhouettes in the neon lights, see my reflection in your eyes. Maybe it's love, or maybe the wait is over. Gonna dance on the floor all night, make the most of this one lifetime. It's feeling like love, all the wait is over.
Toto? Toto? Umeona pusi kweli? Amefurahia? Umechoka nazo? Leo tukunywe chai. Good boy. Very busy boy. We go. Ma? Ma? Ai, chunga baba, be careful. Ona pale nenda. Wewe.
Tanta.
Aoni hata. Mo? Acha kuweka hapo shingo. Hakuna maji?
Yaani umekuwa ukiumia na mimi siwezi.
Hata mimi. Huyu ni mtoto.
Like mimi ningekuwa
ungekuwa unalia.
Hadi mngekuwa mmenisaidia kitambo sana.
Sema hapa.
Hapo alikuwa kwa nini? Hako kakitu black. Hapo.
Hapo.
Kumbusha tukitoa dadeni ambapo mkono.
Alikuwa anasikia kitu.
Kijiti.
Mlikuwa mko.
Acha utolee ndio itoke.
Sonia hapo.
Vumilia tu.
Hadi imetoka.
Inatoka kweli, inafanya inafura bado. Inafaa kwa hapa.
Haifai ku take time.
Hapa sasa hii ni hapa.
Ni hapo.
Mama, kuja baba tunaangalia daddy.
Tunaona hata. Tunaona ni red.
Pole.
Hebu finya hivi.
Had a feeling we had something. Could've
Na Sheila ndio anakujalingi.
Shela ekea hizi vimoli.
Ulijuaje mimi ni Mluya? Sasa ndio nimejua ni Mluya.
From a place of hardship
Say hi to Toto.
to a place of ease
Anapea babaki.
comes a place of flourish.
Kasuku.
In return, it's for a reason that I couldn't say it. Yeah, I don't find time to debate if I deserve growth or if maybe I should preserve coping by hating you, adoring you.
Hi guys, look at all these Huda lipsticks. Look at all these Huda lipsticks. Just look at this. Mariam has them in all colors. The new ones, the glosses, and I'm just here to enjoy. I've tried all of these, but I don't own even one. Just see. The glosses, the lipsticks, this is my favorite, the Vamp. So in case you didn't know, I still use fake foundation and everything, but my sisters use the original stuff, so I get to use them. So such a steal.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then
ease my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Point kuku. Kuru kuru. Uko kwa maji na machozi yako unatoa sana. Anajiosha muoni. Good boy. Good boy. Kuku. Anasemaga ni tamu, but tamu kuliko kuku. Mami huwa achinja wana celebrate nani?
As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So, unfortunately, Temtem woke up with a small protrusion on the eyelid, and it was really worrying me. So, as we were going to town, we had a few errands, also went to shopping, and also got an eye ointment. So, this is just us walking around and enjoying ourselves.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
think you